how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, what you have to do is to simply tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, you're going to come to your Bitmoji avatar page, but right here you can see my public profile. Now if you haven't created a public profile, here you'll find an option that is create public profile instead of my public profile. So you want to tap on it and just make sure to go ahead and then finish creating your public profile. If I delete it, you'll find the public profile option and then you'll be able to create them. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.